Is your home always messy? And are you looking for the perfect home organization solutions to make it more functional and comfortable? Look no further. In today's video, I'll share the top 20 Amazon home organization solutions that are totally worth it. This list is based on my personal experience and customer feedback and the number of sales in the last month. But before we dive, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more video like this. So let's get started. 1. Lehom Clothes Rack. The Lehom G1M heavy-duty clothes rack is a sturdy, 3-tier rolling garment rack made of durable carbon steel, supporting up to 360 pounds. It features adjustable shelves, lockable 360 degrees wheels, and rust-resistant coating, perfect for bedrooms, laundry rooms, or storage spaces. Easy to assemble and multifunctional, it includes 2 hanging rods for versatile clothing storage. Professional customer service ensures support before and after purchase. 2. Totes Pack Storage Bags. The Totes 6-pack clothes storage bags are made of durable, breathable non-woven fabric, offering 60L capacity for organizing clothes, blankets, and more. Featuring reinforced handles, see-through windows, and easy cleaning, these foldable, stackable bags are perfect for bedrooms, closets, or dorm rooms. Lightweight and versatile, they provide flexible storage solutions without frames or base support. 3. Berry Avenue Broom Holder Organizer. The Berry Avenue Broom Holder and Wall Mount Organizer features 5 slots and 6 hooks for versatile storage of brooms, mops, and tools. Made from durable plastic with spring-loaded rubber grips, it securely holds up to 35 pounds. Easy to install and weather-resistant, it's perfect for kitchens, garages, or sheds. 4. Cryusa-Pack Sock Drawer Organizer. The 12-pack sock underwear drawer organizer features 116 compartments for versatile storage of socks, underwear, bras, ties, and more. Made from durable, odorless non-woven fabric with reinforced stitching, these foldable, stackable organizers fit most drawers and are perfect for bedroom, closet, or nursery organization. Easy to assemble and multifunctional, they double storage capacity and can also store household or beauty items. 5. HAIXIN Storage Bin with Lids. The HAIXIN Closet Organizer is a versatile, 8.4-gallon collapsible storage bin with top lids and front doors for easy access. Made of durable PP material, it features stackable design, lockable doors, and built-in wheels for mobility. Perfect for closets, kitchens, or car organization, it's easy to assemble, foldable, and supports up to 110 pounds. 6. Iris Plastic Storage Bins with Lids. The Iris 6QT plastic storage bins, made in the USA with durable polypropylene, are versatile organizers for home, office, or school. Featuring secure buckle lids, clear see-through design, and stackable functionality, these 4-pack bins are ideal for storing crafts, documents, and supplies. Perfect for sensory activities, they keep items dust-free and easily accessible. 7. BOOVO Jewelry Organizer Box. The BOOVO Jewelry Box is a 6-layer organizer designed for women, featuring compartments for necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings, and more. Made with elegant PU leather, it includes a makeup mirror and spacious drawers for cosmetics or accessories. Perfect for keeping jewelry tidy and easily accessible, it's an ideal gift for birthdays, Mother's Day, or anniversaries. Compact and stylish, it saves space while adding elegance to any dresser. 8. Marbrasse Mesh Paper Organizer. The Marbrasse 6-tier paper organizer features a portable handle and durable metal mesh design for easy mobility and organization. Ideal for letter-sized documents, books, and bills, its 6-tier structure offers ample storage and quick access. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to assemble and perfect for office or home use. backed by reliable after-sales service for a risk-free purchase. 9. Stackable storage bins with wheels. The 4-tier stackable storage bins offer 93 QT total capacity with 23 QT per bin, featuring magnetic doors, wheels, and a collapsible design. Made of durable PP material, they're perfect for organizing clothes, toys, office supplies, and more. Easy to assemble, stackable, and movable, these translucent bins provide quick access to stored items, ideal for home, office. 10. Maupvit Shoe Storage Cabinet. The Maupvit Shoe Storage Cabinet features 2 flip drawers and a rustic brown design, perfect for entryways or hallways. With a capacity for 24 to 32 pairs of shoes, it includes adjustable panels to fit flats, boots, or heels. Made of durable MDF wood and metal legs, it's stable, space-saving, and includes an anti-tipping device for safety. Ideal for keeping shoes dust-free and organized in narrow spaces. 11. Foldable Sheet Storage Organizer. The 4-pack sheet storage organizer is a foldable, dust-proof solution for storing king and queen-size sheet sets, blankets, and towels. Featuring clear windows, removable labels, and a durable linen cloth design, it keeps items wrinkle-free and easily accessible. With a reinforced handle and smooth zipper, this space-saving organizer is perfect for linen closets and long-term use. 12. NIUBEE Acrylic Belt Organizer. The NIUBEE Belt Organizer is a 5-layer acrylic storage case with a transparent, dust-proof design, perfect for belts, watches, and jewelry. Featuring magnetic lids for easy access, it keeps items visible and organized while protecting them from dust. Sturdy and versatile, it's ideal for closet storage, displays, or organizing small accessories. 13. Underbed Storage Bins with Wheels. The 2-pack under-the-bed storage containers feature a durable metal frame with Oxford cloth lids, offering 1.5x the capacity of standard bins. With 360 degrees rolling wheels, they provide easy access and smooth mobility for underbed or couch storage. Ideal for clothes, shoes, or seasonal items, these dust-proof organizers support up to 80 pounds, making them perfect for home or dorm use. 14. Under-sink Organizer with Hooks. The 2PC under-sink organizer features a durable hips design with 2 sliding shelves and 4 removable hooks, perfect for maximizing space in kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Easy to install without tools, its drainage design ensures effortless cleaning. Ideal for under-sink storage, it combines functionality with a sleek, frosted matte finish. 15. Marbrasse Desk Organizer. The Marbrasse Desk Organizer features a 5-tier design with sliding trays, a drawer, 2 pen holders, and magazine holders for comprehensive office storage. Made of durable metal mesh and steel, it's easy to assemble and perfect for organizing papers, books, and supplies. Compact and space-saving, it's ideal for decluttering desks and enhancing productivity. 16. OlarHike Foldable Storage Bins. The OlarHike 48 QT lockable storage bins feature foldable, stackable designs with wheels for easy mobility. Offering 48 QT capacity and dual front doors, they're perfect for organizing clothes, books, or camping gear. Made from durable PP plastic, these bins support up to 150 pounds and are ideal for home or travel use. 17. JOYROOM Cable Clips Organizer. The JOYROOM 6-pack magnetic cable clips feature a 7.5mm slot for holding most cables, including phone chargers and USB cords. With a magnetic clamp design and no residue acrylic adhesive, they securely organize cables on desks, walls, or car dashboards. Easy to install and reusable, these clips keep cords tidy and accessible. 18. Legging Organizer Hangers. The legging organizer for closet includes 2 metal hangers with 10 rubber-coated clips each, holding up to 20 pairs of leggings or yoga pants. Made from durable carbon steel, these space-saving hangers prevent creases and are perfect for organizing pants, skirts, or sportswear. Easy to use and ideal for closets, they make a thoughtful gift for decluttering and organizing. 19. ZEDODIER Tank Top and Bra Hanger. The ZEDODIER 2-pack tank top hanger is a space-saving closet organizer that holds up to 8 tank tops or bras each. Made from sturdy metal, it's foldable for easy storage and perfect for small closets or dorm rooms. Ideal for organizing bras, camisoles, or swimsuits, it also doubles as a laundry drying rack. A practical gift for keeping closets tidy. 20. HapiRm Over-the-Door Organizer. The HapiRm Over-the-Door Organizer features 4 heavy-duty metal baskets and adjustable hooks for versatile storage in bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms. Easy to assemble without tools, it maximizes space by holding towels, toiletries, or pantry items. Durable, washable, and designed for high-strength use, it's a clutter-free solution for any room. Satisfaction guaranteed. So, which of these home organizations caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.